Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will see how to create and save email templates in Outlook for better productivity. Imagine you need to send the same email every day. This can quickly become a very unproductive task. Fortunately, Outlook has a feature that lets you save emails as templates, making it easier to reuse them whenever needed. Alternatively, you can use the signature feature to create a quick access template within the email itself. We'll also look at how to use Microsoft Copilot to draft emails for us. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant that can help improve our writing. Let's start and explore how to complete these tasks. First of all, let's open Copilot and I will show you around. To access it, you will need to use your Microsoft details to log in, which are the same one that you use in Office.com. Once we enter Copilot, on the left side, there is a sidebar menu where you can access various options. We'll explore this later. At the bottom, there is a bar that looks like a search bar in Google. Here, we will type our prompt, which is our request to the chatbot. Let's look at an example prompt. We're going to ask Copilot to write an email for a meeting and include a note to attach the agenda. Once that's done, we press enter, and Copilot will start generating the text for us. Please note, Copilot is set to American English by default, so I'll write a new prompt specifying it should rewrite the email using British English. I'll also ask it to format the date in British style. After I type the prompt, I press enter or click the icon at the bottom, and Copilot will start writing again. There you go. Now we can copy the email text and go to Outlook, where we will paste it into a new email. As you can see, there is no right-click option, so use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy from Copilot, then Ctrl+V on the keyboard to paste inside Outlook. Next, we'll adjust the email to make it look tidy and delete anything unnecessary. Tools like ChatGPT or Copilot are very useful, but they need our input to ensure the final result is polished. Let's format the email to achieve the appearance we want, and at the end, we'll save it as a template. Formatting documents meticulously is very important, as it creates a good first impression for the recipient. We will take our time to ensure everything is properly spaced and aligned in columns. To use the new email template, navigate to the message menu. On the left-hand side, you will see the new template option. Click on it, and we will start by copying the email content we want to use. Outlook does not offer a right-click option for copying emails. Therefore, to copy an email, we will need to use the copy option located on the Message tab at the top of the screen. Navigate to the Message tab, then click on the Copy button. Once copied, you can proceed to paste the email content into your templates. Now, click on the plus icon next to Templates. In the box that appears, paste the email content. At the top, enter a subject line for the template, so that each time you use this template, it will automatically include the same subject. Finally, click Save to store the template for future use. Let's give it a try. We can now clear the email and apply the template and see what's happened. Select the text and press Delete on the keyboard. To apply the template, we need to go to New Template and click on the subject of the email we would like to be used. As you can see, there's a bit of a mess here, so let's work on fixing it. I am fixing the text in the email, however, would be better to correct the formatting within the templates. Working on the template is a better option, so we can prevent these issues from reappearing next time, such as the extra line breaks and misalignments. We just need to click on the little pencil icon on the right to enable the editing of the template. Then, by resolving these now, we'll improve the overall appearance and functionality. Once everything is properly formatted, we'll save the template again to apply the changes. There you go. Let's try the template now. We clear the email again, and we click on the subject of the template we need. Our email will be applied inside the editor. Now we clear the email again, and we will try the signature function instead. Let's go to the Insert tab, then we click on Signatures, and we have to create a new signature from there inside. Select New and give a title to the signature, which we will use as an email template. Click on OK and paste the email template inside the big box. From here we can change also the formatting of the text, the font, the size, and the color. Once we have finished, we can press Save and then OK. This will generate our template within the signature. To apply the template, we need to go to the Insert tab. From there, we select Signature again and look for the meeting invitation that we just created. We click on it, and it will be applied to the email, allowing us to make a few changes before sending it. Sometimes the app can be a bit fiddling, so please be careful and reselect the template again. Let's recap the two methods used for saving an email template. To streamline email composition, we can either use a template or an email signature. The template option is accessible from the Message tab, while the email signature can be found under the Insert tab. Both methods have their advantages. I prefer using the signature for its stability, while the template is beneficial as it includes the subject line. Ultimately, using Copilot to write the email offers a more efficient solution than having to type emails. Click on New Chat for new requests and start typing as we've done now, or you can also access old chats from the History sidebar on the right. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.